Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Immigration YTTV. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will discuss new immigration bill proposes $20,000 option for applicants to skip the 10-year green card queue. If you are interested in this, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell on upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. In a bold and potentially transformative step toward comprehensive immigration reform, a new bipartisan bill, the Dignity Act of 2025, H.R. 4393, has been introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives. Spearheaded by Representative Maria Elvira Salazar, Republican Florida, and Representative Veronica Escobar, Democrat Texas. The bill aims to modernize legal immigration pathways while eliminating the decades-old green card backlog by the year 2035. A revised and more ambitious version of a 2023 proposal, the Dignity Act of 2025 carries the full title, Dignity for Immigrants While Guarding Our Nation to Ignite and Deliver the American Dream. This legislative effort stands out in a deeply divided political climate as a rare example of bipartisan consensus on a deeply complex issue. This bill is not about left or right, emphasized Representative Salazar. It's about solving a problem that's been broken for decades. The American people are ready for a solution that is both tough and fair. Fast track option, $20,000 premium pathway to permanent residency. One of the most attention-grabbing provisions of the bill is the $20,000 premium processing route for individuals who have been stuck in green card queues for more than 10 years. This applies to both family-based and employment-based applicants. Those eligible would be allowed to pay a one-time fee of $20,000 to have their visa processed ahead of the standard backlog, offering a potential lifeline to thousands of immigrants who have waited for over a decade with no resolution in sight. Adjusted per-country caps. Relief for high-demand nations. The legislation proposes a significant increase in the per-country caps for green cards, raising them from 7% to 15% across both employment and family categories. This change is particularly crucial for applicants from high-demand countries such as India and China, who often endure some of the longest wait times due to outdated country quotas. Relief for documented dreamers. Addressing a long-standing gap in immigration policy, the bill provides a path to permanent residency for documented dreamers, children of long-term visa holders who are at risk of aging out of their legal status. Under the proposal, those who have lived in the U.S. for at least 10 cumulative years would become eligible for lawful permanent resident status, offering stability to thousands of young people raised in the United States. Student and employment visa reforms. The bill also outlines sweeping reforms in the student and employment visa categories. F-1 student visas would become dual intent, allowing students to pursue permanent residency without the burden of proving non-immigrant intent. International students on optional practical training would be required to contribute to Social Security and Medicare taxes. Derivative family members, spouses, and children would no longer count against annual green card caps, freeing up more spots for primary applicants. O-visa eligibility would be expanded to include a presumption of extraordinary ability for international PhD graduates in STEM and medical fields. Structural reforms and funding for immigration agencies. To implement these sweeping changes efficiently, the bill proposes creating a new immigration agency coordinator to streamline processes between federal departments. It also allocates $3.6 billion in funding to tackle current processing backlogs and work permit delays within the USCIS, Department of State, and Department of Labor. That is all today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.